year is this year and it's different this year.
I had no trouble staying home.
Mama.
Merry Christmas, I reach.
Where this Chinese girl come out?
I tell you the corona killing everybody. Santa say he cannot come to make the kids happy. The corona killing everything.
Tell me what you want for Christmas.
I join in
Welcome to Caribbean Insight TV. I'm your host, Lady V, and we present our COVID Caribbean Christmas series.
You see this Christmas? I join in a big susu. I join in a susu. I am a man. A big susu. Easy ranking from La Hockita. Call me to make some dollar. He said if you see crowd by the neighbor house, and that I must come over. So I wrap my purse, and I start my car. When I hit on the highway, down La Hockita. When I reach phase 1, by the ESS, you ask me what I come to do, I come to invest. I join in a susu. A big susu. I join in a susu. A big susu. How much I have to put in to get the hand? First or last or second I want the van. I feel I will rather my money around Christmas time. I will buy a stove and cake and bake my ham. So I wrap my purse, and I start my car. Then I hit on the highway, down La Hockita. When I reach phase 1, by the ESS, they ask me what I come to do, I come to invest. I join in a susu. A big susu. I join in a susu. A big susu. Ian Allen get hand, Alexander get hand, I hear Alos get hand, they get the hand. I hear Gary get hand, I hear Rowley get hand, I hear Trump get the hand, and he run happiness horn. So I wrap my purse, and I start my car. Then I hit on the highway, down La Hockita. When I reach phase 1, by the ESS, they ask me what I come to do, I come to invest. I join in a susu. A big susu. I join in a susu. A big susu. Well, never do my mathematics here now. I put in 500 and I was gifted $96,000. And I put back in 80,000 and I was gifted 25,000.
Joel, bring the thing, man.
That's really what Christmas is about, you know.
Of course.
You know,
Yeah,
glory to
yeah.
the newborn king.
Of course.
Ham, pastel, you know, I like to eat.
And they serve
You know, with
yes.
this.
And you know, I like my ham too.
Pie.
I'm telling you.
Correct.
And my chow chow.
Oh.
The ginger beer sweet, the sorrel sweet. Hey Julia, you have anything bitter? I went by dawn, on Christmas morn. The sweetness, she offering sweetness. I go down the road, I bumps up Lavon. The sweetness, she offering sweetness. I say I don't want no sweetness, man, I'm done with that. All you know that is my weakness, let me tell you flat. Afraid of the diabetes, I can't handle that. Man, the better, so bring anything you got. And if it's dusty water, dash a little black. Yeah, hello. Something better. Yeah, do I need something better? Baila, mi amor. Be better, 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 be better. You never know that. Be better, be better. Oh, be better, be better. Yes, be better, be better. Be better, be better. Mix it strong. Be better, be better. Me strong. When I come by you this Christmas for ginger beer. Hey, hey. Something better, better, something better. Joe shot the sunset in my sorrel beer. Hey, hey. Something better, better, something better. Should the single barrel in the mountain top. Something better, give me something better. And if it's dusty water, dash a little black. Do I? Something better, give me something better.
Who invented soca parang?
Well, boy, a lot of people is, they say all kind of different people.
And I know you is the original soca parang king.
Well, I think so.
And it's only happening where? Remember to wear your mask, wash your hands, and stay 6 feet apart. And I'll be right back with much more.
This is the new normal.
Christmas is in quarantine with the COVID-19. Why when a parent pass, they got to wear the mask when they come in front your door. One thing you must make sure, sanitize them one by one before they come and drink your rum. We parade down by the house, I going down by tanty for sauce. We parade up in the street, pass by the neighbor for something to eat. We parade down by granny, pastel and ham, bring me some turkey. We parade, but this is how we do it in a Trinidad loose. Parang is we wait now, parang you know dead now, parang is we wait now, Trinidad side. Parang is we wait now, parang you know dead now, parang is we wait now, Trinidad side. Yo, munchies monster, yes I'm roaming in Trinidad. We call it parang. Munchies monster, increase hunger. I smell ham and turkey, uncles making wine. It's Christmas time. Christmas is in quarantine with the COVID-19. Why when a parent pass, they got to wear the mask when they come in front your door. One thing you must make sure, sanitize them one by one before they come and drink the rum. We parade down by the house, I going down by tanty for sauce. We parade up in the street, pass by the neighbor for something to eat. We parade down by granny, pastel and ham, bring me some turkey. We parade, 'cause this is how we do it in a Trinidad loose. We parade.
That's really what Christmas is about,
Of course.
You know?
Yeah,
Glory to
yeah.
the newborn king.
Of course.
Ham, pastel, I like to eat.
And they serve
with
yes.
this.
I like my ham too.
Pie.
I'm telling you.
Correct.
And my chow chow.
Oh. Boy,
Wow.
don't start.
Hey,
You make
hey.
me hungry. Hush. You're starting to really man now.
Before Moses was placed in the basket in the river, and before Columbus discovered this country, there was Santa Claus. And Santa Claus went all around the world giving gifts. And one year Santa was thinking and he said, I wonder what the animals think about Christmas. People forget all about them. I think this year I'm going to give the animals a Christmas. And that's what Santa did. He thought about it and thought about it and decided that he would give the animals a present that everybody liked. Everybody liked something different, something new. And so Santa thought, I will let the animals choose a way to change how they look. Santa got busy, and soon he had a tree that had all kinds of tails and wings and other things that would make the animals look different. Santa sent the word out across the forest. Come to the big fir tree at the edge of the North Pole on Christmas Day. And early that morning, all the animals gathered around this very different tree. And Santa Claus said, "Ha! This is Christmas just for you animals." There was the elephant there, and the lions, and the rabbits, and the deer. And Santa said, for this Christmas, you may choose anything from this tree to make you look different. Well, the animals were just like people. They didn't want to admit that they didn't like the way they looked. So none of them stepped forward to ask for something from the tree. Until a little tiny mouse walked up to Santa and said, Santa, I'd like to have a pair of those little brown wings. Well, of course, said Santa. And he took down the wings, and Santa is magic. He attached those wings to that mouse, and the mouse went flip-flop flying away. And that was the first that was ever in the world.
Hey, John. I don't have a man. Na 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 na. Boy, let me go now. Banging with me mass, banging with me mass on, banging with me mass, banging with me mass, hey, banging with me mass, banging with me mass on, banging with me mass, banging with me mass on. Since Corona come, everything you want shut it down. When last you had some fun with the family and drink some rum, hey. This is season to spread some love around, hey. Can't wait for this Corona to done. Whoa. This is something new, not what we custom to. Hey, used to come by me, hey, and the parang down by you. Nothing could have stopped patching me from fetted. Nothing could have stopped patching me from whoa, said. All you know just what to do. Hey, we jamming. All you know how the thing does go. We parangin'. Hey, hey, banging with we my son. Banging with we mass. Banging with we my son. Banging with we mass. We banging with we my son. We banging with we mass. We banging with we mass. Hey, thank God this could be worse. It's a blessing, not a curse. Let me put the Father first. To life, let me make a toast. Nothing could have stopped a Trini from fetting and nightmare. Nothing could have stopped with Trini from hey, sessin'. All you know how the thing does go. Hey, we parangin'. All you know just what to do. Hey, we jammin'. Hey, hey, bangin' with me, my son. Bangin' with me, mass. Bangin' with me, my son. Banging it we mass, banging it we mass on, banging it we mass, hey, banging it we mass. This is something new, not what we custom to. Hey, we used to come by me, and the big jam down by you. Nothing could have stopped patching me from, whoa, fetted. Nothing could have stopped patching me from, hey, sessin'. All you know just what to do.
Hey, we jamming. All you know how the thing does go. We banging. Hey, hey, we banging it, we mass. Hey, we banging it, we mass. We banging it, we mass. Hey, we banging it, we mass. We banging it, we mass on. We banging it, we mass. We banging it, we mass on. Hey, boy, hey, boy, hey. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Thank you for checking out CaribbeanInsideTV.com and visiting our stores. Remember to wear your mask, take care of yourself and each other. Your contribution is vital to the Caribbean cultural revolution. Thank you for watching.